Today we are going to be showing you the best vegan chocolate chip cookies. These cookies are so delicious, so let's get started. Hey everyone, I'm Aarav.
And I'm Ayush.
And you are here on our YouTube channel, The Tasty Twins. The channel that offers you simplified recipes along your baking journey. Alright, to make the best vegan cookies, we're going to start off with 1 cup of all-purpose flour. And now we're going to add a half cup of brown sugar. And then to this, we're going to add a half teaspoon of baking soda. And now we're going to add a 4th teaspoon of salt, or a pinch. Alright, now we're going to add a half cup of vegan chocolate chips. So when making cookies that are vegan, you always want to substitute the non-vegan items with vegan items. For example, if you had regular milk, you would substitute that with almond milk or oat milk, and if you have chocolate chips, you would substitute that with vegan chocolate chips. So our next ingredient is 2 tablespoons of olive oil. Now 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract, and a 1/3 cup of almond milk. You can also use oat milk. Alright, now we are going to mix this. And just to make sure that everything is combined, we're going to scrape down the side. Alright, we're going to preheat our oven on 325 degrees Fahrenheit. But while our oven is preheated, we're going to put this in the freezer for 30 minutes just to let it harden up a little. Okay, so we took our cookie dough out of the freezer and we scooped it onto our pan, and now we're going to put it in the oven for 11 minutes. Alright, let's try our vegan cookies. Those are so delicious. If you're vegan or you just want to try something new, you definitely have to make this. Alright, that is it for us this video. Thank you so much for watching. Tune in tomorrow at 12 p.m. Pacific time for the next video in our 30-day posting challenge. If you enjoyed this video or learned something, consider giving us a thumbs up down below. That's it for now, so click over here for our last video, click down there for our 30-day posting challenge. If you would like, you can subscribe right here, and we will see you in our next video. Have a great day. Bye.